Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good and staying warm. Today I am going to be showing you how to make these cute little angels. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It does not cost anything to subscribe. And if you want to click that bell, every time I upload a video, it will send you a notification. And in the description box below, I will add a materials list for you. Almost everything came from Dollar Tree, so this is a very simple and inexpensive tutorial, so I think you'll like it. These are so sweet, and they would make a perfect little gift, a last-minute gift, and they're cute to just sit around, and they make a perfect little night light. First, you're going to want to take your little ornaments from Dollar Tree and carefully remove the wings. Now if you can find an ornament that has the angel wings, that would be perfect, but I could not, so I went with the little dove ornaments. And check to make sure your tea lights work. You might want to pick up an extra package of tea lights from Dollar Tree. And then you'll want to take your ping pong balls and just cover them with Mod Podge, and then just sprinkle the little balls with glitter. And I found it easier just to hold it in my hand, and then I just flipped the little plastic glass upside down to let them dry. And I only made two, so I started working on the other two, and I still had two left over. So what you're going to want to do is take the diamond wrap, and you're going to measure around the bottom and then cut a strip and hot glue it on. And be very careful when using your hot glue gun. I'm using a low temp hot glue gun that's very inexpensive from Hobby Lobby, but I really like it. So I just added a band of the diamond wrap around the top of each glass and then let it dry. And here I've just flipped it over so you can see how pretty it looks with the little tea lights in it. And then here we have taken the wings off, and it only came with 5 ornaments in a package. And so I am just taking each wing and going to hot glue them together and let them sit and dry for a little while. And you might want to add a little bit of E6000. So just let your wings sit and dry, and then when they're dry, you're ready to add them onto the back of your little glass. And so I just put quite a bit of hot glue, but you might want to add some of the E6000 in it also, and then just place them on the back and then hold it in place until the hot glue sets up. So this is how it looks with their little wings on. And then to add the little head, I just added a bunch of hot glue in the center and then also around the rim of the bottom of the glass. And then my little ping pong balls, they pretty much dried, so I decided to stick it on, and then I'm just going to wait and let it all dry. For the halo, I just took a pipe cleaner and I just bent it into a circle and then trimmed off the extra part of the pipe cleaner, and then I just took some hot glue and I just carefully hot glued the little halo onto the back of the angel's head. I bought some gold wire, but I decided to just use the pipe cleaner for her halo. So we made 2 halos and just hot glued them on, and just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. So I just added a little strip of hot glue, and then I put it on the back, and I just held it for a little bit so that I could hold it in place so that it would stay up over her head. And so this is how the little angels look. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching.